It's Monday, March 6th. Couple things I want to tell you about today. Number one is we got in the La Jolla Ba yarn color for March, and it is beautiful. Peachy, pinky with some brown and toasty colors. It's gorgeous. $36. Beautiful pair of socks. Beautiful addition to a shawl. Maybe even a fade. It's very pretty. All right, so that's the La Jolla for March. All right. I hope you got our email that went out. We have not had a customer showcase since 2019. The pandemic hit, and we have not reestablished it. We did not get it reestablished last year. So we are back in action. We are hosting a customer showcase. It's going to start, we need everything here by March 14th, so that's not very long. It will start on March 15th, and it will run through Wednesday, March 29th. During that time, anybody who comes in the store, all of the customers can vote on all of the pieces that have been entered. There are several categories. There's the sweater category. There's a group of hats, scarves, and cowls. Then there's a children and babies, excuse me, shawls and wraps, socks, mittens, and fingerless gloves. Those are all separate categories. And in each category, we are accepting crochet and knitting in each category. So each category will have a crochet winner and a knitting winner, right? Those will be awards of gift certificates. So bring your stuff. You need to have knitted in 2021 and 2022 and this year until March 15th or March 14th. So it must have been knit by you in the last 2.5 years, 2 years and a month. And it must be knit in Bella Filati yarn that you purchased from Bella Filati. So not too many rules, but those are the rules. When you bring it in, you may bring in more than one. When you bring in your hard work and your beautiful pieces, be sure they have a tag on each one that gives the name of the pattern, the yarn that was used, and your name, so we know who it belongs to. So those are the things. Gather your stuff together. Go through all the things that you've created, small or large, doesn't matter. And you, too, will be able to show off your wares. We can't wait to see it. And we will put them all on display, and they will be up, and they will be numbered, and you will be able to vote. Vote for one in each category. So, something to look forward to. And then, March is also Happy St. Patrick's Day, right? On March 17th. So plan on that. The 17th is a Friday. We're going to be doing some green stuff around here for the weekend. We're going to have maybe some punch and some Irish shortbread cookies and some, if you wear green, and if you bring in a showcase item, and there's several other categories. Let's see, bring in a showcase item. Anyway, we'll send it out. But there's 5 things that each one can get you an extra ticket in the raffle bucket, right? So we will have a raffle at the end of St. Patrick's Day. We're just going to run it on Friday and Saturday. So it'll be fun. It'll be green, right? We need the luck of the Irish or whatever. It'll be so fun. Might even have some, I don't know, stew, I don't know, some potatoes. Maybe we'll have potato chips. That works. Okay, that's it. Customer showcase. Get your stuff together. Today's the 6th. Come on, come on, come on. We need you. And we'd love to have all your stuff. It's always fun to see everybody loves it. So get some kudos for all your hard work. All right, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.